No matter how many Spider-Man movies they make, Tobey Maguire stopping that train, still one of the greatest action scenes in movie history. Now the question is, can you, yeah you, make this scene? Let's find out if you've got what it takes to shoot this legendary sequence. Step 1. Build a train. Sony Pictures Imageworks built a full-size train car and mounted it on a hydraulic rig so it can tilt and shake like it was racing out of control, and it was surrounded by blue screen. Step 2. Mix practical effects and CGI. You'll need actors to act, stunt doubles and wire harnesses, and when things get deadly, switch to CGI. Next, take your cameraman and as many cameras as you can, go to Chicago. Come on, you know New York is not for you, baby. They don't have an elevated train track. Well, Chicago's L train is perfect for this.
Shot with 17 cameras for 2 days shooting background plates.
Couple this with CGI, you got it. Easy, eh? Subscribe for more.